Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Roberto Cavalli model, Montemignaio 1086 in color code 52G. It's a shiny pink gold Havana color frame. On the temples here, we have a Roberto Cavalli emblem in gold. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the outside of the temple. It is the same. The lenses are a brown gradient color. And at the top left lens, we have our Roberto Cavalli logo engraved in the lens. This frame is Rexable. Up here we have a Roberto Cavalli case, to put your glasses in, and a microfiber cleaning cloth.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.